This is Pat Iyer with Legal Nurse Podcast, and I wanted to bring you a guest today, Rocky Lalvani, who just completed a podcast with me. Rocky is the perfect combination of a person with accounting background who also can communicate really well. And those two pieces don't always go together. Rocky and I have been talking about finance and some of the things that legal nurse consultants need to know about the money aspects of your business. Rocky, can you give our listener a few highlights of what we covered in this episode?
Absolutely, Pat. So we talked about collections because at the end of the day, until the money is in your pocket, the sale isn't finalized. And so we went over some different tips of how to ensure that you're getting paid and paid on time and appropriately, and some ways to speed up that process as well. And we talked a little bit about rates and how much you charge and how to handle competition, especially from challengers in other countries. And how do you appropriately position yourself in your higher rates in that kind of marketplace? And then we just talked about money mindsets a bit, which is that most business owners don't want to be accountants. They don't understanding their accounting software. And for many of them, it causes a lot of fear and anxiety. And that doesn't need to be the case. There are simple, easy ways to take care of your finances. And you just have to kind of overcome that fear and anxiety. And I make it simple for people. So we get rid of that and they're happy with their numbers.
Excellent. We had a great conversation. We talked a lot of practical information that will help you avoid money traps in your business. Be sure to watch for Rocky Lalvani's podcast. It should be coming up right next if you are listening to several shows in a row. And if not, it'll be here in a week. So tune in and thank you for listening.